Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah alamin wa binastain ala umur dunya waddin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain abad. Alright everyone, today I want to tell you about my motivational letter, especially which the university that I want to be the part of it. That is NUS. Living in the life, it's make me have a wide view about life, person, and society, especially in technology. I really interested in technology. And when I was a child, I just saw a lot of beneficial things that we can get in technology. And I think technology is very important in our life. There are a few good and bad side in technology, but we can use as a good as well. We often see a system that are broke or are not efficiency, that are really poor and slow. But with technology, we can make it more efficient and sustainable. We could turn our dream into a reality. And that's encouraged me to learn more about technology and can be a master of it, can master it in that field. When I was in elementary school, I saw my father. He's working all day, and I asked to him what did he do. And after I give several questions, and then I figure out more deeply, I just found the answer is his work, but work that have relate with coding. And then that's motivate me to learn about coding. Not only that, not only my father that motivate me, there are some people that motivate me to learn coding or programming language, like Bill Gates and then Mark Zuckerberg. I really like the story of Bill Gates, that he built both Microsoft, and Mark Zuckerberg built a Facebook when he was in the university. And especially Elon Musk, he's made a lot of company that relate on the future innovation and technology, like Tesla, SpaceX, and then Boring Company. It's really cool to see to saw all of those people that became a great person with technology, and I want to be like one of them. And my decision to study software engineering, especially in my vocational high school, it was driven by my desire to turn that frustration into capability. Entering vocational high school, I began learning about web and application. In website, I have learned about HTML, CSS, and framework CSS, that is Tailwind, and then PHP and Laravel framework, also I have learned about Flutter to build a capable application. Not only that, I embrace myself to learn more about technology. The complexity of programming challenged my confidence and my problem-solving skill. Not only myself, not only programming language that uh, make myself are more difficult, but myself too, especially in my mentality. Yeah, and each small of my small project, it's taught me about a new logic and new view about things that I learned. Yeah, in me, I think learning programming language with the fundamental and the logic, it's more matter than we just memorizing the syntax and using tools that make ourselves easiest to done the project. I'm not that type, but instead of I challenge myself to do it by myself first, and then find the problem each line of code. Yeah, that's taught me about patience and responsibility as a creator of digital solution. Um, Through studying digital platform, user behavior, and then about system efficiency, I became interested in how well-designed software can influence trust, uh, productivity, and capability. Like, for example, Instagram, TikTok, it's catch people to watch a short video, and then like, I don't know, it's all about algorithm that make people stay until 8 hours a day, and it's make me more interested to learn about a cognitive human behavior. My motivation to study in world-class university like NUS, one of them, it's to yeah, to embrace myself and sharpen my skill and create a good structure that can build a solid mindset for me and my society, especially. Yeah, because my long-term target is I want to focusing to be a better person for my society, and I want to fulfill my potential. And then yeah, my academic motivation is to understanding how technology and economic and organizational system with and both technology and organization system, both them are working each other. And then I become interested. Yeah. Not only that, personal discipline has played a central role in my life. Like, it's challenged me a lot, especially when I was in 10th grade. I have a big problem with my attention, especially when I have things that I have to do. Instead of do that things, I just open social media and doing something that are not useful. So yeah, it's really helping me a lot to challenge myself to be more disciplined. And then after that, my homeroom teacher told me to my parents about my attention problem, and then I decide to change myself. And yeah, it's going well each by day. I have I got some of significant attention than before. Yeah, not only that, when I'm in debugging and building a good project, it's I must have to face off with frustration and maybe discipline too. Yeah, so I decide it's really helping a lot by do coding project and train myself to be more disciplined. In summary, my study motivation it's about my desire about technology and curiosity into the innovation of the technology world, and I saw a lot of improvement in this world decade by decade. We often see about technology that are more become different like before. Yeah, and I believe with persistence and resilience can help me a lot, especially with my uh, with my with my journey to become a better, successful, and useful person, and a prospect to can get into the part of this university. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.